We've spent the last week over here in the Shala painting, creating, bonding. We've been having our sister circle and our meditations. It's just been an amazing week, and it's been such a lovely, lovely group of ladies. We have been to the bird park, the elephant parks. They were for inspiration. We've had healings. We've learned how to do the Bali offering. It's just been wonderful. So it's actually a mind, body, soul retreat. It's not just about the art. So you can go home feeling really rejuvenated and at peace. All the ladies have just had the most amazing time. I will be running this retreat again. So if you are interested, I'll just let you know just some things that might make you comfortable. We did have a mother-daughter actually coming this time, but we've also had single ladies as well. So if you're feeling a little bit nervous, you don't have to worry, because we pick you up from the airport and bring you straight up here. And even at the airport there is a fast track service where they will stand as you get off the plane, and they will take you through all the queues and take you to your driver. So you are totally being looked after. You don't have to worry about any of that. So if you are looking for a week to just be able to be at Bliss in this beautiful resort here up in Ubud, to create, have sister circles, meditations, healings, if something like that sounds like something that you would like to do, pop on over to my website and you can check out the details. In the meantime, bye from beautiful Bali.